All right, so from your last IXL and your last Delta Math, you should have noticed that if you have two things, the slope and the y-intercept, you can graph any linear function. You can create a line. Well, you can also create an equation for that line from the same two pieces of information. So this equation that you see right here on the screen is written in slope-intercept form. That means it starts with y equals, it has a number in front of x, that is your slope, and it has a number being added on that is your y-intercept. So if someone gives you an equation in slope-intercept form, you can identify the slope and identify the y-intercept just by where the number is. So if that number is directly in front of the number x, that is your slope. If that number is being added on or maybe subtracted on, if it's a negative number, that is your y-intercept. And that's what we're doing on this first IXL. So let's take a look at this first IXL. It has given me an equation here in slope-intercept form and asked me for either the slope or the y-intercept. So just like a lot of things in math, this is really kind of just a reading question. So I need to find the slope. Well, if I can remember from that equation that Ms. Selzer just showed me, the slope is just the number directly in front of x. So in this equation, my slope is 3/2. If that number were a negative number, like this one, I would need to include that. So find the slope of the line. My slope is directly in front of x. So this is -1/2. Now be careful. Just when you're comfortable finding the slope, they're going to say find the y-intercept. So I do need to read it. Slope is the one in front of x. Y-intercept is the one being added on. So my y-intercept here is 7/5. Once again, if it was asking me for the y-intercept on one like this one, where we've got a minus sign there, I would need to include that as a negative. Now this one's asking me for the slope, so I don't care about this y-intercept. I'm only looking at the number in front of x, and that is 5/8. So hope this has helped. Once again, if it asks you for the slope, you are looking for the number in front of x. If it asks you for the y-intercept, you are looking for this number that's being added or subtracted on. Make sure you include any negatives with your number, and get back to us if you need more help. Thanks.